You initialize it, you put in all your settings, and then you run the block.
Okay.
You're going to skip this block because you don't need it because you already designated your settings. And you're going to run this block, the analyze block.
Okay.
Okay. And then you'll run this block right here, which is the first block after HRV special analysis. This makes a couple of tweaks to some of the functions so that they work correctly for your data.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. And then you'll run the new HRV quick analysis block, which is this block right here.
So the special analysis is where I input everything, or?
No, you just run it.
Oh, just run it? Okay.
Right? Because you already put in all your stuff
Okay.
above, right?
Yeah.
And then you ran analyze,
Okay.
which generates the heartbeats so that you can analyze them afterwards.
Oh, okay. I see. I see. Yeah.
Yep. And so after they're detected, you can do anything that you need to do with them.
Okay.
So you run.
Hey, John. I just thought it'd be more quiet here.
How's it coming? Pretty good?
Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense.
So theoretically, that's all you should need to do is run those two blocks, and then you're done. Analyze them afterwards.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep. And so after they're detected, you can do anything that you need to do with them.
What is that? In 6 and out 6. What, is that where I put my?
So you run.
Hey, John. I just thought it'd be more quiet here. Oh, my thing is slow. Yeah. Makes sense.
So theoretically, that's all you should need to do is run those two blocks, and then you're done. Analyze them afterwards.
Okay. Yeah.
And so, sorry, something is looping and it's terrible.
Yeah, yeah.
Much better. Okay. Yeah.
So is that? Yeah.
No, go ahead and ask your question.
Oh, I was wondering about that. Is that the batch process?
Yeah,
the way to do it faster? Yeah.
Yeah, the stuff below it. So this first block is how I look in path, which is the folder where all of the text files live.
Okay.
And I get their names and I store them as a list.
Yeah, I see. I see.
Then I run the HRV analysis and event detection with
Okay.
your settings for every file in the list per file.
Yeah.
And it just does it.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
Okay, cool.
It saves out Poincare and histograms automatically. Oh, and power spectral density for the intervals.
Okay. And that should be where my information is? Or
Those are figures.
Mm-hmm.
So in the folder that I sent you,
Yeah.
right, when you unzip it, there's now a folder with
Yeah.
everybody's name in it. Inside that folder, there's, hold on, it's not showing you the table I want to show you. Okay. Inside, you'll see a bunch of folders, or sorry, inside each folder, you'll see individual analysis results.
Yeah.
Have all the events. This is the stuff you're used to seeing coming out of base.
Uh-huh.
But then you'll also see things like the power spectral density, right? So here's the PSD from this animal.
Okay.
You'll see the Poincare, um, histogram.
Yeah. So so usually from that step, I'd plug it into the GHRV and it would spit out the data I need, like the heartbeat intervals, the like power and everything. Is it in one of those folders, or how would I find those?
Um, if you run the quick analysis, not the batch analysis,
Quick analysis. Okay.
yeah, it's pretty clear to me that nobody in your lab can code, so I'm going to assume you're not going to try to do the batch analysis.
Yeah. None of us can code pretty well, actually, at all.
Yeah. So when you run the thing you're going to run, it's going to save out a file that is named like everything else, right? The name of the input file and then whatever it is afterwards.
Yeah.
It'll be underscore HRV,
Okay. HRV.
HRV,
Yeah.
and that'll be in the folder with everything else.
Okay. So everything should be there. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, everything should be in the output folder that you designate. Because I knew I was doing this batch process, I had everything kind of collated together into one master file that looks like this.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's everything we need so far.
Uh,
Yeah, that's exactly what we need for to plug into our own spreadsheet.
yep, I tried to make it in the same order of the sample spreadsheet that you guys sent me so that you can copy and paste.
Okay, cool.
But you
Do you
should
need help with something?
Yeah, I'm looking for songs, but I don't know if it could be in the lab.
They're probably in the lab. Yeah, sorry.
any other questions?
I think that's it. Yeah, I don't. I'm gonna probably run it on my own, and I'll let you know if I need help with anything else. But I think everything was pretty clear.
Okay, good.
Okay, Dave, you need to make sure that you can get to the figures and the data, right? So make sure that you can start working on figures from that stuff.
Okay, yeah. I'll email you my progress by the end of the day, and I'll let you know if I need help with anything else. Yeah, thanks for the help.
For sure. We're going to talk about, or Dr. Wilson and I are going to talk about math,
Okay.
if he has time. I don't know. But
Yep, we got time.
excellent.
Unfortunately, the Linux box that I was using to do the Google Hangout does not have the newest version of the IPython notebook. So I got my MacBook Air, which is the gold standard for development.
Okay.
Open, and I'm working through it right now.
We'll let David go and then we'll reconnect.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, thanks for the help.
For sure. Good luck.